Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Catchers. I am Dreamly Besbarwa and today I am going to discuss about communication skill. আমি সকলোৱে এই communication skillৰ বিষয়ে প্ৰায় শুনি থাকো. But what's communication skill or what is communication? Communication means when we share our views and ideas with one another, that is called communication. আমি যেতিয়া ইজনে সিজনৰ ভাৱ বা আমাৰ কি ফিল কৰিছো যেতিয়া ইজনে সিজনৰ মাজত share কৰো, that is called communication. But in this world, in this fast moving world, it is very much important. But why it is important? It is important to build good relationship. Good relationship maybe with your family, maybe with your friends, or maybe in your professional life. But if you want to make good relationship, if you want to make good understanding, and if you want to make trust between one another, then you need to have a good communication skill. Next, it is also very important in your career success. If your communication skill is strong, then you can share your views or you can share your ideas with your colleagues. Even you can collaborate with your colleagues very well with your strong communication skill. Apunar communication skill jodi strong, if you can communicate properly, tetia hole apunaloke nijor idea ba nijor view apunaloke ijone hijonor majot share koribo paribo. Apuni chinta apunar chinta to apuni apunar colleague purok bhaldore prakash koribo paribo, and you can create a better understanding in your workplace. Next, it is also very important to solve problem. Maybe it is in your personal relationship, or maybe it is in your professional or in your workplace. If some problem arises with your better communication, with your strong communication, you can solve the problem very well. Jie problem na hok kyo, problem to solve korar karone ki dorkar matho communication. আপুনি যদি ভালদৰে কমিউনিকেট কৰিব পাৰে, আপুনি ভাবাটো আপোনাৰ ভাবটো আপুনি যদি আপোনাৰ এগেইনষ্টত থকা মানুহজনক ভালদৰে বুজাব পাৰে, আপুনি যদি ক্লেৰিফাই কৰিব পাৰে, then you can solve the problem very easily. Next is, if you want to influence someone or if you want to persuade someone, then you need better communication. Influence means আমি যদি কাৰোবাক আমাৰ better personality to প্ৰতি আমাক ইনফ্লুয়েন্স কৰিব খুজো, আকৰ্ষণ কৰিব খুজো. নেক্সট, আমি যদি কাৰোবাক পাৰসুৱেট কৰিব খুজো, কিবা এটা কামৰ কাৰণে যদি কাৰোবাক আমি মনাব খুজো, then what you need your better communication or strong communication. So আজি আপোনালোকে গম পালে আপোনালোকৰ communication skill টো কিমান বেছি দৰকাৰী. So try to make better communication, and for better communication you don't think that you only need English. So it is not necessary ki apuni okol English to janilehe apunar communication bhal boli koa hobo, tenekwa kono kotha nai. But English is always a very important language. It's officially very important language. So try to make better communication with your better language, and it can also develop your personality. Thank you for today.